Once upon a time in Silicon Valley, a company seemed to have it all: brilliant ideas, beautiful design, and billions in funding. It was called Jawbone, and it promised to revolutionize how we live, listen, and move. At its peak, it was valued at over $3 billion, a true unicorn. But today, Jawbone is a ghost, a cautionary tale whispered among tech startups. So what happened? How did a company that was once on top of the world completely vanish? This is the story of the rise and spectacular fall of Jawbone. Our story begins back in 1999, when two Stanford graduates, Hossein Rahman and Alexander Asaili, founded a company called Aleph.com. Their initial focus wasn't on stylish consumer gadgets, but on military-grade audio technology. They were working on a project for DARPA, the Defense Advanced Research Project.